Hi, good evening. Welcome to Hospitality Quest Umar Cookie Seed. Today we are going to make a very interesting dish which is called radish stuffed paratha. So the ingredients for radish stuffed paratha are, I can show you. So for the ingredients, I have refined whole wheat flour, which is called atta. I have made into a hard dough, which is not sticky. So you need to make a dough which is little harder for paratha. And then I have white radish, and this radish has to be peeled. The skin has to be peeled, and then it has to be grated. Now this is with water, so this we need to squeeze the water, and we'll have to remove the water before making the stuffing. Either you can make to remove the water by muslin cloth, or you can squeeze it in your hand. Then for the spice, we'll be having oil, and then we'll be having mustard, then little bit of cumin seed, turmeric, red chili powder, and then salt. Only these are the things which will make the stuffing. Come, let's make the preparation. Welcome back. Now let's make the radish stuffing for stuffed paratha. So I have the grated radish where I have already squeezed the water off. Now the radish is without the water. So first, how to make the stuffing? We put the oil, and then we will crackle mustard and cumin, and then once it is cracked, we will add the grated radish. Then we will be adding turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and that's it. Once it's cooked, it is ready to roll. Come, let's do the cooking. So now I'm switching on the stove. So first, let me add some oil. It doesn't need much oil. So let me keep the mustard and cumin ready. So let's check the temperature. Because it has a small oil, it will crack in the center. And then I add little cumin. So now you see it is cracking. You could hear the sound, cracking sound. So now it's time to add the grated radish. I'm already getting the smell. You can reduce the flame and let the mustard and cumin mix well with the grated radish. So now I'm going to add the yellow powder. Just 1 teaspoon of yellow powder. And you can add chili powder to make the paratha spicy, and bit of a salt. So now mix it gently. It will not take long time to cook. It will just cook in 2 minutes of time. So pungent flavor in the radish has to be cooked. Radish, you cannot eat it raw. It is very powerful. So a lot of people, they use it in pickle, but it's very healthy. For the people who is having diabetics, this radish is very nice. So that's it. The radish stuffing is ready. Now let's roll the parathas and then let us do the stuffing. Come. So now we have made the stuffing ready, radish stuffing. You have already seen it. Now for the paratha, the dough which I have made, I have rolled into little thicker one. Then to make the stuffing, you can slightly smear little oil. Not much, little, because radish already has oil in it. So let me take 1 spoon of radish. The stuffing is a technique where you need to see it carefully. So I am folding it on one side and then the other side. It's like a book folding. And now I am folding it on the top and then I am taking it and putting it on the bottom. So this is one side. Let me show you another also. So I have the rolled small oil and then the stuffed radish. And now I am folding it to half like this, then like this, and then to the bottom. So now let us roll it. So let me start rolling it. Do it slowly because the stuffing shouldn't come out. You can put flour if you want. Don't go for very thin because the stuffing might come out. So now let me on the stove. This is a non-stick pan. It will make hot very quickly. So gently transfer it. So meanwhile, let it cook. I can make the other one also. Dust the flour on the both sides. Make yourself comfortable. That's it, we have rolled it. Now let's see how it cooks. Turn the other side. Always you apply oil on the other side. Now let the other side get cooked. Now let us turn around. Yeah. You will see the other side is getting cooked. For this radish paratha, the accompaniment would be curd or yogurt along with the pickle. You will see it is nice, color is coming. I'm just brushing up with the oil. So that's it. It is ready. So let's do the presentation. That's it. We have presented our radish stuffed paratha. I have served along with it yogurt or curd and pickle. It is a wonderful, best. You can have it either by dinner or for a breakfast. Thank you. Hope you. So today we have seen the preparation of radish stuffed paratha. Hope you have enjoyed it. Tomorrow we will see another interesting recipe. Please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching our channel Hospitality Quest Umar. See you in another interesting recipe. Enjoy.